Hello, friends. Today we are going to test a new signal bot that uses artificial intelligence on the OneWin website. If the bot works, I will leave a link to it in the comments. Please like and write your thoughts.
Creeping late at night, I got the black mass in a blaze. Like some motherfucker though, can't hear the bullshit that he say. Wanna see him beg for mercy, wanna see these bitches die. Only time I crack a smile is when I'm plotting homicides. Off rip with this shit, young savage, well quick, got full of boy in the whip. Hit the gas and fucking dip. Catch a motherfucker flexing, now I'm searching for a lick. Come up off your fucking money, come up off your fucking brick. Do not play me like a bitch, I promise I'm the opposite. I'ma pull up to your trap and I'ma kick the door in. I know Twiggy got the stress, so let me borrow one real quick. Cause I'ma murk this fucking buster, then we gon' take all his ends.
Some creature out of time was hovering over us, more than 1,000,000 years old.